In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Corsair keyboard software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and from here, you want to hover over software up top, and then click on where it says IQ software over here. And then from here, you'll be able to actually download it. So as you can see, it says IQ software. This is from Corsair. It's the most extensive PC monitoring and RGB lighting control software available. So click on download here, which is going to take you to the download option over here on a separate page. And from here, you'll be able to select if you want it for Windows or for like Mac OS or anything else. So I'm just going to click on download. But of course, if you're looking for a different software or drivers, you can also click on here, and it's going to take you down here to the bottom where you can see a bunch of different other things. Okay, so I'm just going to click on download, and I'm going to actually skip this step, and it's going to download the IQ software. I can just click on it, and then I'll be able to install it onto my computer like this. So it's going to open up a pop-up window. You have to select your language first, click on next, and then from here you have to basically select what you want to do here, and basically you have to, if you agree with these things, you have to click on them and then click on next again. And after you do it, as you can see, it's going to start installing, and whenever that's done, you'll basically have your Corsair keyboard software on your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.